Welcome. In front of me I have JBL clip-free speaker, the wireless speaker, and today I will show you how easy you can connect this device to your Android smartphone. So at the first you have to turn on your JBL clip-free by tapping the power key. Right now I just turn it off, so let's make it another time. When this indicator starts blinking, it means that we are connected. I mean that it is turned on. So to pair this speaker, you have to enter for the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, and then on the clip-free tap on the Bluetooth icon once. When this indicator starts blinking fast, it means that it is in the pairing mode, so click here to pair new device, and as you can see it pops on the list, so simply choose this one, click pair, and as you can see right now we are connected. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.